Hello everyone, I am happy to show the Nexus Engine. It is a full stack app generator. To start, let us look at the architecture of the project. I have designed this as a clean modular project with two primary folders. One is frontend and another one is backend. We build this as a meta-driven application generator. It means we do not just build one app. We build a system that can synthesize a full stack application from a single JSON configuration. This includes the REST API, the dynamic database, and the entire user interface. It's a unified system where the backend and frontend are perfectly in sync through this shared metadata. Now we will discuss about the config validator. This is the core challenge of this project was handling the imperfect inputs. As a developer, we know that the JSON files can be messy, incomplete, or even have a wrong field types. To solve this, we build a normalization layer. Think of this as a self-healing brain for the engine. Look at this value of normalized config function. It does not just error or when it sees a mistake. Instead, it repairs the config, it auto-generates the missing IDs, files, and default titles and correct icon names. This ensures that no matter how broken the input is, the system will still generate a working stable application. This level is a resilience is what our engine production ready. Now we will discuss about the role-based access. In this project, we have implemented two primary roles. One is admin role and another one is user role. These are not just labels, they change how the entire backend behaves. The admin was authority to modify the app's structure and manage other users. The user role is carefully restricted to their own data. Our auth middleware enforces these rules on every single request. We check the user's role and their specific permissions before the engine ever touches the database. This role-aware architecture means you can build a complex, secure organizations right inside the generator. Now we will discuss about the database of the project. This is a major technical decision. Traditional SQL tables are rigid, they require the migration data. But our schemeless approach using JSON binary allows the database to be a flexible and the configuration. Whether you have two fields or 200 fields, the database handles it instantly. It solves the schema mismatch problem mentioned in the requirements because the storage layer simpler adapts to whatever the config defines in real time. It is a ultimate in the database flexibility. Now we will discuss about the config. Every user is protected by a secure token, but we went further by implementing the user scope data access. When a user asks for their records, the engine automatically injects a filter, so they only see the data they want. It is a highly secure, scalable REST API that can handle the multiple users and multiple roles without ever leaking data. This is the product ready graded backend engine, not just as a simple prototype. Now we will discuss about the front end. Now we will start the project and see the project. To start the project, the command is npm run dev for the front end. To start backend, the command is npm run dev. The server is started successfully. This is the front end of the project. This is the landing page of the project. Before now, we will sign in the website. Now, now we will log in the admin panel. This is the admin panel where admin can access the all data and admin can see the all users who have the login. This is these are the apps who was created by the users. Now we will go to the admin panel, admin dashboard. Here, everything is dynamic. The sidebar menu is not hard coded. It was generated from the config. This is a dashboard of the admin panel, and when we go to the users, we can see the users of the application. In this, we have the total 23 apps and total 23 records. These are the records are built by the users. Now we will sign into the user. In the user sign in, we have two types of sign in. One is login with Google, and another one is manual sign. Before signing, if a user is new to the application, he or she should create the account in the platform. Present, I am logging with Google. This is the user dashboard. Now we will create the one new app by using the JSON configuration. Now I am giving the JSON prompt in the text box. I have given the JSON with the name of Shop Elite. This is the app name of the project, and in the app I have the entities, product, customers, and orders, and I also have the dashboard to see the products, number of customers, and number of orders. This is the navigation of the pages. Now I am clicking the launch application to create a app. Here we can see the system is validating the architecture schema and database also. The app is created successfully. Now I will click the button open app. Here you can see the system is generated the product, customer, orders, and dashboard. What we mentioned in the JSON. This is the dashboard of the app. Because we are seeing the zero records. Because we are not added any record in the product and customers and orders. Now we will add the product in the product section. Now we will click the create button. It get the dynamic pop-up UI form. See here when we click the create product, it's showing name, price, and category, and you can offer on the stock button. I am giving iPhone as a electronics. Price is 60,000 I am giving. And I selected the category electronic is available for the product, and that's why I am giving the enabling the stock. Now I click the save button. It will save the product in the database, and we can see the products in the dashboard of the products. Now we can see the actions we have in this. We can do the all crude operations like delete, add, and update the product. We can update the product in here, like changing the category or changing the name, price, or we can disable the stock also. Now you will click the save button. The changes will be displayed on the products. See, we have changed the changes in the product. Now the product was displaying, and we will add the another product for the category of home. The price is 120 rupees. The stock is available. Then that's why button is on and I'm clicking the save button. Now we can delete the product, any of the product. The product was successfully deleted. Now we will add the customer data in the customers. Click the customer, create customer. In this we have the validations, email, name. Without entering any fields in the form, it will not submit the form. See the validation of the email. See the two fields are inappropriate. Then it will show the error in the form. It will handle the all types of user input, but it will show the validations in the input. Now we are giving the correct details. Without correct details, the form will not submit. Now I am giving the all details are correctly, and now I am clicking the save button. It will handle the all. It will handle the data, all validated data. See now we will go to the dashboard. The dashboard will update it. The products we added one product, one record in the products. In orders, we have zero orders. That's why in the dashboard it is showing zero orders. Now we will go to the app configuration. We can change the names in the names of the tables by using in this JSON format. What you gave the JSON in the previous, here we can change the JSON. We can edit the JSON. When we click the apply config, it will change the all the details in this. These are the apps we created in this user. Thank you.